You created a digital product. Posted a few times. And then nothing happened. So now you're thinking about making another one. But before you do, this might save you from repeating the same cycle. No one tells you this part. Creating the product is actually the easiest step. What happens after? That's where things fall apart. You post. You wait. You hear nothing. And in that silence, you start blaming the product. But it's not confusion. It's lack of clarity on what to do next. It's not that your product didn't work. It's that it was never really seen. Because if people saw it, you'd have feedback. Clicks. Something. Silence doesn't mean failure. It usually means there was no system behind it. No visibility. No positioning. No path for people to find you. So instead of fixing that, you start over. And the cycle repeats. Step 1. Focus on visibility first. Before creating anything new, ask, can people actually find you? If the answer is no, that's the first problem to solve. This fixes the no one is seeing my stuff issue. Step 2. Use search-based platforms. Not all platforms require constant posting. Platforms like Pinterest work off search, not just followers. This gives your content a longer lifespan and more chances to be seen. Step 3. Create content before products. Instead of building another product, build attention first. Talk about the problem your product solves. This creates demand before you try to sell anything. Step 4. Simplify with systems, not hustle. You don't need to do everything manually. Simple systems, even with AI, can help you stay consistent without burnout. This keeps you moving without starting over every time. Now instead of guessing, you understand why things felt stuck. And more importantly, you know what to fix before creating again. So the next time you launch something, it's not into silence. It's into something that's already moving. Your product didn't fail. It just wasn't seen. If this helped you see things differently, you can start there. And if you want a simple breakdown of how to actually get seen, I put it together in one place. If not, just don't rush into creating again.